Last week's review of the macro market indicators noted with May options expiration behind in the last full trading week before Memorial Day kicks off the summer season ahead, equity markets were mixed. Elsewhere looked for gold, dollar GLD, to continue its move lower while dollar USO continued in an uptrend. They also looked to continue to move higher while US Treasuries, dollar TLT, trended lower. The dollar ASHR looked to continue to bounce off of support in emerging markets. Dollar EEM remained in consolidation, building their bull flag. Volatility, dollar VXX looked to remain at very low levels, keeping the bias higher for the equity index ETFs SPDR, NYSE Smiley Face, iShares, NYSE Smiley Face, and PowerShares QQQ Trust Series 1, NASDAQ Smiley Face. The charts were mixed though. All looked strong on the weekly time frame. And the IWM was leading to the upside, making new all-time highs. The SPY, NYSE Smiley Face, and QQQ were in consolidation short-term though, with the QQQ looking the weaker of the two. The week played out with finding support early in the week and bouncing while found resistance and pulled back. The continued its move higher and Treasuries reversed, joining the dollar to the upside. They stalled at the April high and reversed while emerging markets held firm over support. Volatility held in a tight 2-point range all week, keeping the bias higher for equities. The equity index ETFs held in tight ranges on the week, moving mainly sideways, with the SPY and QQQ consolidating over the previous high and the IWM consolidating at new all-time highs. What does this mean for the coming week? Let's look at some charts. SPY Daily, dollar SPY Daily. The SPY came into the week consolidating over the 100-day SMA and the April high. And it pretty much just held there all week. The daily chart shows a small pop to the upside Monday, sold Tuesday, and then reversed Wednesday before a couple of doji-like days to end the week. All told, it held in a tight 3.5-point range, ending slightly higher. The daily chart shows the Bollinger Bands remain pointing higher. The RSI is stalling just under the 60 level it would take to return to the bullish zone, and the MACD is rolling over towards a cross-down, but positive. A very mixed bag. The weekly time frame shows a second tight week after the break higher, with the real body inside the prior week. The RSI is drifting up off of the midline, with the MACD approaching the signal line from below and positive. There is resistance above at 272.50 and 275, then 277.50 and 279 before 280. Support lower comes at 271.40 and 269, then 267.50 and 265. Consolidation continues. SPY Weekly, dollar SPY Weekly. Heading into Memorial Day weekend, the unofficial start of summer, equity markets remain in consolidation. Elsewhere look for gold to possibly confirm a reversal higher while crude oil pulls back hard in the uptrend. The US dollar index looks to continue to move to the upside while US Treasuries race higher in the short term. The Shanghai Composite looks to have resumed the downtrend, and emerging markets continue to hold over support, marking time. Volatility looks to remain at very low levels, keeping the bias higher for the equity index ETFs SPY, IWM and QQQ. Despite that good news, equities continue to plot along sideways mainly. The longer time frame remains constructive, with the IWM leading in the shorter time frame, but the QQQ looking to catch up. Use this information as you prepare for the coming week and trade them well. The information in this blog post represents my own opinions and does not contain a recommendation for any particular security or investment. I or my affiliates may hold positions or other interests in securities mentioned in the blog. Please see my disclaimer page for my full disclaimer. Original post.